What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another shoe custom video.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another shoe custom video. As you can tell, my videos have been pretty repetitive lately, so I'm going to try and make them a little different. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my customs. For today's custom, I'm going to be doing a cartoon Air Force One. I did these on an all-white pair a couple weeks ago, so if you haven't seen that, go check it out. Nike recently put out a new line called Have a Nike Day. This windbreaker is actually from that collection. All of the things have a green, pink, and purple colorway, except for these Air Force Ones. So for today's custom, I'm going to be painting this shoe with those colors, and I'm going to give it a cartoon effect. These are size 10, so if anybody wants to buy them, message me on Instagram at Sneaker Customs, or you can buy them off my Mercari page, which is linked below. I think these are going to come out really cool, and I can't wait to see the final product. So let's get started with the video. Really quickly before I get started, I gotta give a shout out to the top 3 comments from last week's video. Those people are G9 Kicks, Anshul, and Everybody Hates Chris. And also a big shout out to KSWERVO for sending me some beats for this video. His info will be in the description, go check him out. Before I start this custom, I gotta take out the laces. Using some acetone, I'm gonna rub down the entire shoe except for the part that has the smiley face. If you get acetone on that part, it'll take the black paint off. The first thing I'm doing is painting the toe cap gift box green with some Angelus paint. I painted the shoes on Photoshop beforehand so I could play around with the colors, and this is the design that I ended up with. It took me 3 coats to get a solid green color. Now moving on to the back portion, I'm painting this with a light purple color. I mixed some Angelus purple with white to make this shade. If you want to buy any of the materials used in this video, check out the description and I'll have links to everything. I'm also painting the shoelace area purple. Moving on to the midsection, I'm using some rose petal pink. Each of these colors took about 3 to 4 coats to get a solid cover. Now we've got all our color down, so the last thing before the cartoon portion is to paint the swooshes and toe box black. All of the surfaces are painted, and honestly I feel like these could be left just like this and still be a really cool pair of shoes, but I'm going to go in and add the cartoon effect. To do this, it's really simple. I'm just outlining each edge of the shoe with some black paint. Most of the edges have a small portion outside the stitching that you can paint, so that makes it easier to have consistent lines. I'm going to do the same thing to the lace holes. I used some painter's tape for the line around the bottom of the shoe to get a more professional looking finish. I did most of this portion off camera, but using the tape made it look really nice. Now I'm just going to go around and paint any of the lines that I missed earlier. At this point, all of the line work is pretty much done. On the toe box, I used gray paint to paint around all the small holes. Now I'm just going to go around the shoe and add some small line details to bring out the cartoon look. There's no method to doing this, just try and follow the shape of the shoe. I went ahead and outlined the tag on the shoes as well. Be careful if you do this because if you make a mistake, it's hard to cover up. Last and definitely least, we have to do the laces. Using black paint, I'm just outlining each edge of the laces. This step takes a stupid amount of time, but it's such a key piece to a cartoon custom. This is how they should look once you finish up with them. Now all that's left is to lace up the shoes and spray them with a matte finisher. That's going to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this custom, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Hit me up on Instagram at SneakerSniperCustoms to order a pair for yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video.